How to make money with Shine Ranker. Shine Ranker is an easy-to-use SEO tool that allows you to make money online. It was founded by Chase Reiner, a well-known SEO professional who has been in the industry for more than 7 years. It is a SaaS, software as a service, tool that you can subscribe to on a monthly basis or for a year, depending on your needs and budget. There are many ways to make money with Shine Ranker, but the main way is through affiliate marketing. If you want to become an affiliate, then all you need to do is sign up for the Shine Ranker affiliate program and you can start earning commissions on sales made through your affiliate links. One of the best things about this program is that you can get started right away. They offer a free 10-day trial, so you can test out their features before deciding to pay for them. This program is also very easy to use, and if you have any questions, the product owner is available and will help you out. He goes live regularly and shares his projects with his community and is very accessible. Using the Shine Ranker tools. You can use the Shine Ranker tools to do many different types of tasks related to search engine optimization. These include keyword research, auditing websites, and content creation. The tool is user-friendly and has a lot of functionality that both professionals and beginners can use. The first thing you should do is use the audit tool to see how your website is performing in the search engines. You can enter a URL into the tool and it will show you what is needed on your website to improve your ranking in search results. It will give you a score and different columns that will indicate whether your website is passing or failing certain metrics. Once you have a list of keywords that you want to target, you can start generating content for your website. The Shine Ranker tool will help you generate content based on these keywords and provide suggested words and headings that will give your content better ranking chance. It is important to note that you need to be very specific with your keyword and be sure to double-check it before generating content. This will help you get more traffic from Google and other search engines. Getting your keywords to rank on page 1 of Google. One of the biggest advantages to using the Shine Ranker tool is that you can easily find and rank keywords for your business. This is something that is essential for any online business, especially if you don't have a lot of time or resources to spend on marketing. You can do an audit of your own website and see what is needed to get you on the first page of Google. The tool has a spreadsheet-like interface that shows you what is missing from your website that can affect your rankings. The green columns indicate that your site is passing most of the criteria, and the red columns mean that there are some issues on your site that need to be fixed. Get Shine Ranker today.